My name is Kelvin Taylor. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. I currently work for a dialysis company as an administrative assistant. But up until last year, I started to kind of dive more into it. So it was a lot of self-studying, searching for programs, and I landed upon Yellowtail. Well, I mean, it's always been in the back of my mind because I've never really had anything, a place where I've worked where it's something that I wanted to do. I always knew that I didn't want to be where I was, but it was just something, I just had to take time to see, is this something, what is that I can do long term that I would love? And once I stumbled upon Yellowtail, it was just a fit. I just watched all the testimonials on my way from work. I just watched everyone's opinions and insights about the program, and uh, I just knew right away. I just made a decision that day. Yeah, I'm enjoying it a lot. It's a lot of insight. I mean, it's definitely up my alley. So, yeah, I don't have any complaints about it. It is a lot of work, but you have to put in the time, and especially with learning something new, and technology is a whole lot. It's always a lot to learn. So, yeah, I'm enjoying it a lot. I would say take some time and really think about where you are in life, and just ask yourself, is this where you want to be? Is this something that you can see yourself doing for the rest of your life? I mean, just take the first step. Just do like what I did and at least start searching and doing some research, and just, looking at different things and talking to different people, and, just take that first step at least.